Let's learn some phrasal verbs with close. Close down means a shop or business permanently shuts. No way! It's closing down. I love that cinema. Close in means surround or get closer to something. We're closing in. We'll stop him before he gets to the bridge. Close in on means surround or get closer to something. The angry wasps have closed in on me. Close in upon means surround or get closer to something. The crocs are closing in upon me. I'm scared. Close off means shut something so people can't enter. They've closed off the alley. I wonder what has happened. Close on means get nearer to someone or something. The white horse is closing on the leader. Close out means end or finish something or ignore someone. I'll close out with a question. What is the capital of Japan? Close up means shut at the end of a time frame or join together. I think I'll close up early today. You can visit the website for more phrasal verbs